everyone, and welcome to Parents Night for the Oklahoma High School Unified Boeing and Bowling teams. Tonight, we are here to celebrate and recognize the hard work, dedication, and achievements of our bowling teams, along with the unwavering support of their families. Our teams have put in countless hours of practice, showing incredible grit and determination, and continuously push themselves to improve both in and out of school. I would now like to introduce the OHS bowling teams. Ethan Ward, son of Tavis and Joe Lynn Ward. Amaris Kovac, daughter of Gary and Robin Kovac. Christian Evans, son of Vicki Cornelius. Braden and Evan Howland, sons of Chris and Mindy Howland. Drew Hester, son of Erica and Jenny Hester. Avery Grafton, son of Greta Grafton. Oliver Nielsen, son of Lee and Melinda Nielsen. Nevaeh Ramirez, granddaughter of Guadalupe and Francis Ramirez. Elizabeth Reddy, daughter of Brenda Markinson. Felicity Rittenhouse, daughter of Lisa Rittenhouse and granddaughter of Dennis Rittenhouse. Griffin Shopper, son of Duke and Sarah Hubbard. Thank you for being here to support our talented students. Let's give a big round of applause to the Oklahoma High School.